Alan Nuckman standing by, Chief Market Strategist, St. Paul Research. Alan Nuckman, thanks for being here. So you are taking a close look at something completely different, and that is MICRON. Why did you pick MICRON as the one to trade today?
Well, MICRON has been a momentum mover. A lot of plays, a lot of movement in 2020, but has kind of stalled this year. Let's get into that in a second, but let's look at the markets here. Nothing new is happening. What we're seeing is a risk-reward rotation, once again, that we've seen over and over. So if we look at tech, if we look at the NDX, it's been tracking between 13,000 and 14,000 for 2 months now. So that target's 15,000 on the upside breakout. We're only 2% from the all-time forever top in April. Now, if you look at MICRON, MICRON fell from its 95 high, and it's about 13%, a lucky 13%, let's say, off that top. So I like the risk reward, looking for a snapback attack, and I like the way that it's set up with a smart money setup where you're seeing a lot of options activity, bullish options activity. The smart money sees something at these levels.
Ah, okay. So what are we going to watch for, right? I mean, right now we're seeing it down fractionally. What are some key levels you're watching for, or things that will really make a move here for MICRON?
Well, I like how it's positioned right now. We've been trading between 75 and 95 the last couple of months. 85 is an important pivot point. That's the halfway pivot of this range. And if you look at that chart, it had obviously an exponential move upward, and it's consolidated and regrouped for another leg higher. So what I'm looking at here is my stock substitution strategy. Instead of buying the stock, I'm looking for an in-the-money option, the August option, the August 77.5 call. The key here is the delta. The delta is about 70%. So you're going to get the price action of the stock. It's trading about 9 or so right now. And again, it's an in-the-money option. Instead of buying the shares, you tie up less funds. You've got higher probability. And you're going to get a better payoff on a modest move in this underlying stock. A push above 85 is what I'm looking for to get this thing started. And in the big picture, 115 is a bigger target if it breaks out of the sideways range and makes new high.
Yeah, and I think that August 13th date is really key, right? You want to give me just 10 seconds to remind everybody of that?
Well, no, we're just looking at it. It's an August option. I'm looking for something to happen in the next 6 weeks, but I'm buying more time than that. Even if I don't need it, I've got extra time for that to happen.
All right. Alan, great to see you this morning. Thank you very, very much. Alan Nuckman, Chief Market Strategist, St. Paul Research. Thanks.